This is so hard though.
Sorry.
No,
If I hit in front of you and you do that. Yeah. Good idea.
I don't want to watch this.
watch it.
Horror movie.
Watch it and learn from it. Horror movie.
You think you do everything right?
Good. So don't stop yourself though, right?
I know.
So
That was actually a good date.
kind of half diving, right? So I want to dig it and then dive through it.
Yeah, it's a great thing.
Yeah. You gotta be okay with getting on your front foot.
Isn't it?
Sorry.
You even kind of cheated the other way, right?
Yeah. So if I didn't cheat, maybe I wouldn't have to dive.
Exactly. I know, that's the thing is,
Oh,
like,
this
if
is
you're
motivation.
actually reacting in the right way, then you should, it should be easier. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh yeah, I'm collapsing. This is fun.
That's good, you're good at this.
Nice shot. Good switch.